I don't expect to win, but this isn't good. Hello fellow creators and welcome to the video. As I was looking at my video from last week, I was taken back to art class in the 8th grade. I really didn't like my art teacher in 8th grade because every time I finished a piece of art, she would tell me that it wasn't done yet and make suggestions on things that I could add. I didn't realize at the time that she was trying to push me to add more visual interest to my piece. She was trying to help me to become a better artist. So if any of you 8th grade art teachers are watching this video, please don't give up. It might take them 30 years, but eventually they will thank you. My current boss doesn't have any personality or anything that connects him to the viewer. This week my focus was trying to give him some personality. I want him to be menacing. So this made me think of the coachman from Pinocchio, that scene where he smiles, that huge creepy smile. So I use that for the inspiration of my trophy. I think it gives it a lot more personality and adds more feeling to the piece. I didn't want to just phone this in though. So even though I'm not good, I want to give my best. So I didn't want to just leave the gloves out. So I wanted to model and sculpt the gloves in such a way that they really looked like a goalkeeper's glove. So I grabbed a few references and I started sculpting on them, and I think overall this really helps try and sell the story I'm trying to tell. Then I started working on the trophy's face. I wanted it to still look like the World Cup trophy, so I kept the soccer ball as the main part of the skull, and I began to work on that intense smile. I tried to sculpt the teeth initially, but that just turned out so badly. So I switched over to modeling the teeth, and I think this sells the look so much better. I added some gums so the teeth don't look like they're just kind of hanging there in his mouth, which turned out to be a little bit harder than I think it should have been, but it's probably because of the fact that I'm just a rookie. I also adjusted the placement of everything with the trophy. I wanted the soccer ball to be a little bit more visible. It was getting hard to see, so I moved the face forward a little bit and tilted it looking down a little bit. And actually, I think this helped a lot because it's one of those happy accidents you run into when you're working on a piece, because it really made the eyes like really pop as they're looking at the hero. I didn't retopologize this piece, I just vertex painted it. I think I need to, and I think the time that I spend retopologizing it will really save me on render times. I don't have everything in the scene that I want, and right now it's about 30 minutes a frame, which for a 5-second animation at 24 frames a second is about 60 hours. So here's a little clip of the render without the background elements. And here is frame 77 of the animation. I tried to make these turrets look like stadium lights, and I'm thinking about having them launch missiles. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting a little bit crazy. Perhaps before I work on all of that, maybe I should actually make my hero look like a hero. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.